Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the PassFab channel. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your Acer laptop without password. How to reset Acer laptop by forgotten Windows login password. This video I will show 3 simple ways to help you. Let's get started. Method 1. Factory reset Acer laptop from advanced startup. In the Windows login screen, you will need to choose to restart your device. Hold down the Shift key and click the Restart option. Wait for the Acer laptop to reboot, and the advanced boot options will be turned on. Then you need to select Troubleshoot. Reset your Acer laptop right here. If you don't have this reset option in your screen, then you need to try the second method. To factory reset your Acer laptop, you need to select Remove Everything. In order to minimize data usage, local reinstallation is generally chosen here. Select the first option if you want to keep partition files other than the system partition. To completely delete file data from your PC, select the second option. Be sure to back up your important data on your PC to avoid data loss. Here you have to select the appropriate option for your situation. Okay, one last time to determine if you want to reset your Acer laptop. You can still regret it at this time. Just click Cancel. Click Reset and it will start wiping your Acer laptop data. Once the laptop reset is complete, perform Windows setup. The second method is shown next. Reset Acer laptop with Windows installation media. This method requires the preparation of a Windows installation media. Wipe data from Acer laptop using the method of reinstalling Windows. Insert the installation media into the laptop. Then in the login screen, you need to hold down the Shift key and click the Restart option. Wait for the Acer laptop to reboot and it will open the advanced startup options. Then you need to select USB device. Select USB drive to boot. This will open the Windows installation program. You can select the language and region of the system and click Next. Click Install Now. If you have a Windows product key, you can enter it here. Click here. If you don't have a product key, select the appropriate Windows system version and click Next. Check the box to accept the license terms and click Next. Here, choose to install Windows only. Okay, next you can perform Acer laptop data wiping. Select the corresponding partition to format. Then select the original system partition for Windows overlay installation. It is usually judged by the partition size and name. You will then need to complete the subsequent Windows installation. This is the more alternative Acer laptop reset method. If you just want to reset the forgotten login password in your Acer laptop, then it is recommended that you try method 3. Reset Acer laptop password with PassFab 4 Winky. PassFab can help you reset your Windows password more easily. It offers 2 options for password boot disk creation. You can use your Android device or another accessible computer. Click the link in the video description to get it. First, launch PassFab 4 Winky. Click Start. Then wait for the password image to finish downloading. Okay, the download is complete. You need to plug in a USB with a size of 1 GB or more. On Android devices, you need to prepare a USB that matches the port of your device. Click Start Burning and Next. Wait for the password boot disk burning to finish. After the burning is done, you can see how to open the password boot disk here, corresponding to your computer brand. Check the boot menu key. Okay, next insert the password boot disk into your Acer laptop. Then you need to reboot your computer. Wait for the laptop screen to turn black. You need to press F2 to open the BIOS first. Then find F12 boot menu under Main. Make sure that it is in the enabled state. Then under Exit, select Exit Saving Changes. Next, you can press F12 to open the boot menu. This will open the boot menu. Then you need to select your USB to turn it on. Wait for 4 Winky to finish loading. Okay, you need to select your Windows system and click Next. Then you need to select the username of the forgotten password. A variety of password change functions are provided. Windows Account Management is also available. Here we will select Reset Account Password. Click on Next. Enter the new password twice to reset it. Okay, the reset execution is complete. Click Restart to access the Windows system. Now log in with the new password. This completes the password reset for your Acer laptop. If you now want to restore your Acer laptop to factory reset, click on the Start option and select Settings. Then select Update and Security. Then find the Recovery option on the left side. Here, you will be able to perform the PC reset. Well, that's all about how to factory reset Acer laptop without password. Please give me a like if you find it helpful. I will post more videos about Windows. Subscribe to my channel to see my videos faster. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.